Welcome back again. Uh, as we have successfully created our website, so what next is how we can set up our plugin. Uh, when you are when you are about to start a business, there's something that will come into your mind that where will I get my shop? How will I get my shop? And the second thing that will come to your mind is that if I've already get the shop, where will I get my goods? Where will I see my goods, and who are those people that is going to supply me my goods? And that is where the issue of plugin has to come in. Now I'm going to teach us how we can set our plugin. So I know that most of us are familiar and with glass standings data plugin. So I'm going to teach us how we can successfully import glass standings data plugin. So you go to add plugin. Once you have go to the add plugin, then you will I've already download the sample. I have configured the sample to the glass standings plugin. So I'm going to share us in our group, and if possible I can share it on the Facebook. I can create a link and share it on Facebook. I will do, and share it on YouTube also. I will do. Now let me add the plugin now. So I will go to choose my file. So after I've chosen my file here, I want to search for it. I've already do everything. I will just import it, the CSV file. Yes, plug me. So I have already installed it. So you can see that I have choose the file. So I want to upload the CSV file. Yes, it is successfully registered. um so what next is that I want to check it. Maybe it is properly arranged and properly set, so that I will not see error, or maybe when I want to perform any transactions, I will not see difficulty in transaction. So I want to check everything that I set. Maybe it is intact, or it has moved, or it has been changed. Then I'll go to edit. um Edit. Now my name, plugin name, yes, is still there. Plug me. This name can be edit. You can edit it to your any name you like. You can, but me I prefer using plug me to be. So for me, the name, it is necessary for the identification of your plugin that you want to use for your services. So any name that you want to choose, make sure you can identify it, because it will be the name you will use for your services. So I use plug me. Active, yes, it should be inactive. So okay, my airtime is correct. My data is correct. My data request URL, everything is correct. Airtime, yeah. Can you see now there's a mistake here? Data dict parameters is missing. Data dict parameters cannot be a object. Why? There's a mistake there. Let me show you the mistake that is there. So I wanted to show us where the data dict parameter it is on gas standing, but their service is not okay. But next time I'm going to show you, I'll screenshot it. You know that this is supposed not to be object and object. So let me clean it. That one's an error. So where will I see it? I've already dropped it in a group, and it's also in my notepad. So let me check it from my notepad. Can you see now? Plan. I'm going to copy everything. Let me copy everything. Copy. I will make sure I don't left anything. Then I'm going to paste. So it is there now. So I want to check it. Yeah. So everything has been entered. Now The next thing that I will also want you to check very well is the aspect of your header. So let's locate header. You see this header bar, this header, the only thing you will change it is the token. This is my token, this is the token for my website. So once I press it, once I hold it press, then I will change my token. So you all know where you get your API documentation from glass standing. You all know where to get it. So once you have copied your API token, this is where you will paste it. So this is my API token now. I've already configured it to be my API token. So please, you can change yours to your API token. You all know where you can get your API token. You get your API token in your API documentations. So once you have get it in, once you have go to your glass standing API documentation, you copy it, then you paste it here. So once you have paste it, I think that is all for your plugin. Then I want to change, I don't want it to be in number 2, I want it to be in number 1. I want my, let me search. Okay, I'm coming. I want to change it. Okay, so I have successfully created it. I'll press save. So I will allow it to load. Yeah, it has load. So let me check what I've just set. Let me check, maybe it has been saved. So first thing, I'll check my data parameters. Can you see now? Yes, my data parameters has been saved. So I think, then I'll check the headers. Is my token also safe? Yes, my token is safe. So I prefer that name, so I've leave it in that name. So I have successfully did everything well. I have successfully did everything well. So after you have successfully did everything well, you can remove this plugin. Yes, I'm very sure I want to remove it. I don't want it. So can you see it has become only one plugin? Yeah, so I've removed that one. So this is what I'll be using for my data transactions. So that is how you can create a plugin. Thank you for watching.